Good afternoon. Welcome to Lingerie Elegance. How can I help you today? Hi there. I'm looking for a new everyday bra, preferably something seamless that won't show under t-shirts. But honestly, I'm not entirely sure about my current size. You've come to the right place. We always recommend a quick bra fitting before buying. Have you been measured recently? No, it's been a while. My current ones feel a bit tight in the band, and the underwire is digging in. That usually means the band is too small or the cup size is a bit off. Let's do a quick measurement in the fitting room. All right, you measure as a 34C. Let's try a few styles. Since you want something seamless, I highly recommend this molded t-shirt bra. It has contour cups for a smooth shape and adjustable straps for comfort. This looks great. Do you have it with a push-up effect, or is it unlined? This one is lightly lined for a natural shape. If you want a bit of a lift, we have this Balconette bra, which also gives great support, or a classic plunge bra if you wear lower cut tops. I'll try both the t-shirt bra and the Balconette. Oh, and do you have any wireless options? Sometimes I prefer a bralette for lounging. Absolutely. We have some beautiful lace bralettes right here. They offer light support without the underwire. The fitting room is right this way. Feel free to try them on and let me know how the hook and eye closure feels at the back. Perfect. Thank you so much for your help.
Carrying too much.